Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange. We've been buying, selling, and trading new and used equipment such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today we're going to show you a really nice machine that just came in. They don't always come in this nice, this new, and this clean, but we do search for them. So if you have something that's hardly been used, we're always top of the market. This machine, from what I've been told, has about 20 hours on it. You can see there's not a scratch on it. All the tooling is all still in there. Nothing's been moved. The customer bought this, used it for a couple tests, decided they needed to get a multi 5-axis press brake with a lot more bells and whistles, so we traded up to something different. So you end up saving a lot of money and getting a really nice clean machine. It's got a graphical controller, 2-axis, you got your X and your Y, you got a 7-way bottom die here. You can see all the different dies that really nicely rotate. You'll see the light curtains here. Going to keep away for safety. Really nice feature of this die right here is if you take a quick little piece of metal, hook them to each other, you can use your ram to lift your die up and spin it, and you can see on the side all the different shapes that you'll be able to work with. Really nice feature to make it real easy. This is the basic machine with a lot of simple, easy to use features so that anyone can get into it and make some simple parts. Has a manual R-axis, meaning on the back when you want to come up and down, you're going to go to the back, turn the knobs, and have it meet to the point that you need it to. Right now we're going to set it up into our CNC mode. We've pulled up a program that we have saved in there, and we can show you how this machine works. It's hydraulic. It's going to have a 3-speed ram. You'll see it was a quick approach, slow forming. The back gauge is moving now to its next spot. Quick approach, slow forming, and a quick retreat. And you can set this to different speeds, different sections. You could make it all one approach depending on the tooling you're going to be putting in there. Some people do different tooling, punch tooling. You could put unit punches all the way down there and punch holes if you had to. Press brakes are pretty unique that you could do a lot of different things with a lot of different shapes with just a simple tonnage and a ram. Again, you can see actually what part we'd be making here on this graphical controller. It'll show you each step. Your back gauge will go to the next step again. Back gauge is moving, and you can see another mark on here. Now, I don't know where we're at exactly on our steps here, but just to show you a quick bend, we'll put this guy in here. Of course, no problem. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what a press brake does. So if you're looking to do something like this, if you need something really nice and clean, let's just take a walk around just to show you. It's nice to see this machine. This is a very late model. Right here in the front, you'll see the actual area where you'd set your different depths. This is your fast and your slow, and your heights for your ram. Quick and easy to make a part. Just set that up. Now this has a lock, an interlock system. As soon as we open this up, you can see the machine turned off. We can no longer use it. That's another safety feature. Right there are our fingers with our R-axis manual triggers. Just going to turn those little guys, go up and down on there, and each one of those pins in the very front there, that's where your parts will meet. You could set things up differently. Depending on what you're going to make, you can make a pretty intricate part on here. Just takes a little bit of setup. You can see very simple and nothing really hanging around in there. There's not too much to repair on it. If you had to do any repairs, if you can see the cylinders right here on both sides, again, that's what a brand new cylinder looks like. Come right around here. We have a lot of different machines in our facility here. This is our fabricating facility here in Los Angeles. I just want to show you around a little bit just so you can see we have seen a lot of different machines, a lot of different electronics, hydraulic systems. We repaired them because of course we sell them used. So if you have something that you want to trade, maybe an older machine or a larger machine or smaller, and you want to move up to something like this, that might work out for you. You can see we have 250 ton, 250 ton, 130 ton, all different big brands, Prime Line, Cincinnati. We have lots of AccuPress, shears, brakes, a little corner notcher, all the way up to a full laser if you need a laser. Here's a nice fiber laser just came in. So you can see we have a lot of different machines here on the floor, and we're always looking to buy, sell, or trade with you. So watch your step there. Come right over here. We'll do one last look at a few different other machines just so you can see all the differences between the hydraulic systems. Here's a really nice Cincinnati, the late model shear, hydraulic, 175 ton AccuPress brake, even later 175 ton AccuPress brake. This is a 12 footers. There's another 200 ton 12 foot hydraulic standard press brake. JMT, Cincinnati, we do have a lot of different machines here. We're always happy to have the best machines, cleaned, painted, cycled, depending on what you're looking for. Here's one that we're working on right now. This is a Cincinnati with a CNC front gauge. We test everything before it leaves here, which sometimes is quite difficult. We might even have Cincinnati come right in, check out the machines, make sure everything's fully functional before it leaves, so when you get it, plug and play and make everything work. Now let us know if this is the type of machine you're looking for. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. Check out our website for some great financing options at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311, and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.